Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. So, I think you've probably guessed what we're going to create today. We're going to create some music on our microbit. And this is a very well-known tune. You probably know it. It's called Frère Jacques. It's a French nursery rhyme that's sung all over the world, actually, I think. So, we are going to create these notes on our microbit to make the sound. So investigate music. Once you've learned these skills, you could apply it to all sorts of songs. But I think Frère Jacques is a good one to start because it's got some nice elements like repeated notes that help us understand what's going on. So to create our Frère Jacques, we are going to need on start, we don't need forever. So we're going to use the music features. So first of all, we are going to set the tempo. So that's in tempo and set tempo. And we're going to keep it at 120 BPM. So BPM is beats per minute. Tempo is just how fast or slow a piece of music is going. So we want to determine that before we start. Then if we look at the tune for Frère Jacques, it goes C, D, E, C, C, D, E, C, E, F, G, E, F, G. So do you hear that? There's repeated notes. So it's got C, D, E, C twice, and then E, F, G twice. So we're going to put in some loops. So I'm going to put in a loop, and it's going to be a loop that does it 2 times. And then I'm going to go into music, and I'm going to play tone. So play tone, and this is going to be, yeah, we'll keep middle C, but then I'm going to duplicate, and then I'm going to make the E, and then duplicate, make the next one E, duplicate, make the next one C. So here we are. Okay, so that sounds okay so far. Let's have the second loop. So if we look at the music, the second loop has 3 notes in it. They are E, F, G. So I'll duplicate this and change this to be E. Duplicate again, F, and duplicate one more time. And there we have. So that is your Frère Jacques code. Now, if you know a lot about music, you can maybe find the other notes for Frère Jacques and continue the tune. But that, I think, it's a nice and simple to start off with. Download this onto your microbit, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.